Clearly, the Lieutenant General, who is present commander of the army, is not a senior officer to General Fonseca. He has never been a senior officer at any stage in his military career, because when General Fonseca was the commanding officer of the army, he held the rank of Lieutenant General, and I think the present commander was a Major General. So he was way below the present General Fonseca. So he could have never directed the arrest of General Sarath Fonseca. Further, it says that after a person is arrested, a person who can direct investigations and direct that a court-martial be convened is, in terms of section 40, the commanding officer of that person. So when such action is taken, it can be taken only by the commanding officer of that person. So the present commander, Major General, Lieutenant General Jayasuriya, is not the commanding officer of Sarath Fonseca. He has never been so. So he could have never taken the steps that are now being taken to hold an inquiry, to frame charges and direct that a court-martial be held. General Sarath Fonseca ceased to be commander of the army in July 2009. Thereafter he was appointed Chief of Defence Staff in terms of Act number 35 of 2009. This act says that the President may appoint any of the commanding officers of any other three forces to the post of Chief of Defence Staff. It further states that after he is so appointed, he shall cease to hold office in the army, but shall be considered a member of the army. It is not said that in this act that during the period the person functions as CDS, he shall be subject to military law, or that he shall be subject to any other offences under the Army Act. That is not stated. It is further stated that during that period he shall hold the rank of general. So in any event, since he holds a higher rank than the commander of the army, who holds a rank of Lieutenant General, the Lieutenant General can never direct